Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and giving me a little chance and watching today. For today, I'm going to be memory planning for the week of February 8th in my Recollections Celestial planner. And this kit that I've already laid down and kind of pre-planned is a kit by Wild Summer Designs for the week of Valentine's Day. It's also the week of my husband's birthday. So this is how I memory plan. I will just kind of like pre-plan my week, usually on like the Friday, Saturday, Sunday before the week starts, and just kind of put down the base of the kit and what I know is, supposed to be happening throughout the week. And then I will go back day by day and fill in the blank spots with things that I did or things that I ate or, whatever memories. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. So first up, I needed to run to the store so that I could pick up a birthday gift for my husband since his birthday is that Wednesday right there on the 10th. So I'm going to take a little circular deco foiled icon from Strawberry Creek Studio and then a triple arrow from My Newest Addiction. And I'm going to layer that with a transparent dot from The Giving Girl. And then I'm also going to take a clear present icon from Strawberry Creek Studio and just to mark that I needed to, pick up his birthday present. And I'm going to also decorate that with this little tiny, it's like a dangling heart from The Giving Girl. So I just kind of been using the dangling hearts and the dangling stars kind of throughout the spread day by day, and just kind of to fill up little weird white space areas and just to make it look a little cuter. So you'll see me put that in a second. But first I'm going to use this box. I think it's a quarter box, or is it a third? It's a third box from the kit, along with a little workout outfit from Crafts by Towie, and then a workout script from Sticker Guru, and that is a shop that I PR for. As you can see, Monday was the official announcement that I joined the Sticker Guru PR team, so you can use my code Lisa15 to save, or put Lisa in the notes to seller to get my freebie. And then I'm going to take a little heart divider from Sadie stickers, and they're so adorable and cute and dainty and perfect for the week of Valentine's Day. And there's that dangly heart I was telling you about. And for my gratitude on Monday, I wrote Sticker Guru PR team, since I'm very excited to start my little PR term with them. So moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take a canceled icon from my sticker destash section. So I don't know who that's from, sorry. Because I was supposed to have an appointment with my pulmonologist on Tuesday. However, that appointment did get canceled because they were like waiting for x-rays and some like PFTs and other tests and stuff from my previous pulmonologist, but they never got them. So since they didn't have any of that stuff, they had to cancel my appointment. So I put a canceled icon over that. And then I'm using a little scalloped bow corner and divider from Dash Sun Designs from one of her samplers, along with another transparent dot and then a little phone icon from Strawberry Creek, because I had to call them so that I could, figure out why they canceled my appointment and, reschedule. So anyways, then I'm going to take a half box from the kit and then one of these cute little kind of heart doily things from Sadie stickers and a birthday cake from Strawberry Creek. And that is to mark that we went to have my husband's birthday dinner on Tuesday night. We went to Red Lobster. And, and I'm also going to take a like little cute kind of miniature bow flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. And that's a new shop to me. I'm going to have that haul from her shop up on my channel for my February haul. Anyways, though, so yeah, we went and had his birthday dinner the day before his birthday because they have like daily deals every day that change. And so unfortunately, the one day of the week, which was Wednesday, which was his birthday, was the one day of the week where we could not partake in that deal because it was like a surf and turf and we don't eat steak. So we decided Tuesday's deal, we would go and do, Tuesday's deal. And that was my gratitude for Tuesday, was Red Lobster. And I also used a Giving Girl bow divider in between there to take up some space. Then moving on to Wednesday for my husband's birthday, I just used a Colored Daze Nikki squiggle to kind of like separate out that white space. Then at the bottom of Wednesday, I'm going to go back to the top of Wednesday, but let me tell you what I'm doing right now. I have this little sheet of functional extras I got from an Oops grab bag from The Giving Girl. So I used one of these pretty flags, and then I'm just layering that with some of the stuff you've seen me layer before. And then I have a shopping bag from Strawberry Creek because we went to take a trip to Target on my husband's birthday because my son wanted to get him a gift with his own money, which I thought was really sweet of him. So we ran to Target to get him a little gift. I was supposed to go before so that he could have, the gift ready before his birthday, but we never managed to go. So we went on his birthday. Then I'm going to take a swirly divider from Sadie Stickers and also a little tiny skinny bow divider, just to put on the top and the bottom. And then I'm going to take some more of those dangly hearts at the top of the Wednesday there, and also these pretty dangly stars as well. So I've been just kind of alternating kind of the stars and the hearts here and there. And then for my Gratitude Wednesday, I wrote B-Day Boy, since I was grateful for my husband and it was his birthday and everything. So that was my gratitude. I was going to try to take that longer, that top row of those dangly hearts are like way longer, and it was kind of like too long to go there. So I just placed it on the kit leftover sheet. Then moving on to Thursday, I'm going to start with some more dangly stars up there in the corner. And then I have this little kind of random pieces of stars from the Giving Girl for deco. I'm just going to decorate the little new moon half box there and add some dangling stars to that too. Then I'm going to take a hexagon from Sadie Stickers and a hexagon from that leftover sheet from the Giving Girl. And also a controller icon from Strawberry Creek to mark that on Thursday. My husband finished playing Little Nightmares, which is a game that it's not new or anything, but it's a game that we recently started playing, and mostly, like he plays and I just watch. There's a couple of parts where I played like for him. I was like, let me try, and I do like I do enjoy playing games. It's just that I don't usually have time to invest in playing games because I'm always doing other things. So I find it kind of chill to just like watch other people play games. And so sometimes we watch people like gamers on YouTube, but we decided to start playing Little Nightmares ourselves, and we finished on Thursday. It's a really cool game. And my Thursday gratitude was the new moon. Friday, so basically I forgot that I have this countdown from Colored Daze for my birthday, and after, when it gets to 2 weeks, it starts counting down like 13, 12, 11, 10, blah, 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 etc. So I had already put in Thursdays off camera, but then I forgot I need to like put them in every single day. So I'm starting the day with the 12-day countdown. Then I'm going to take one of these half boxes from Miss and Meow with some more of the usual layering pieces, along with a little like cutlery icon set from Nikki Plus 3 from a freebie. So much rose gold. This is why I never buy rose gold, because I somehow always have so much rose gold that I have just like enough to get by. So I don't know why, how, where I get these things, but like, yeah, I just never buy rose gold icons and rose gold, boxes and things. Like I just always have enough somehow. Anyway, and that was because I had to call to make a reservation for the restaurant we want to eat at for my birthday. So I just made sure to call ahead since my birthday is coming up pretty soon here. I checklist off the check, what am I saying? I made the marks for like Saturday's check stuff before I forgot to go back and do my gratitude. So my gratitude on Friday was a new Tink light that we got for my son's lizard because she's really happy with it. So I'm happy that she's happy. And then I went back to Saturday to put in my countdown. And then I have a half box to mark that we went to a restaurant called Makino's, and we also watched Doctor Strange because my husband likes that movie, and it was kind of like a weekend celebration of his birthday. That's why we went to Makino's, because his parents treated us out to a really nice sushi crab leg buffet kind of dinner, except it wasn't buffet style because of the pandemic. So that was delicious. And I used a little heart from Strawberry Creek to jazz that up. And I wrote for my gratitude explosion box because my mother-in-law made him this, what she called an explosion box, as like a present. And it was really sweet and it was just touching. So I thought it was really cute. Moving on to Sunday, which was Valentine's Day, I'm going to take a heart icon from Clever Gal Crafts and then a workout script from the Rose-Colored Daze Nikki freebie, the older Nikki freebies, and then a little running shoe icon from that sampler from Nikki Plus 3. Just because I did a workout. We had a pretty chill day for Valentine's Day. We didn't want to go anywhere or do anything because my son had went to his dad's house on Saturday for his sister's birthday. And so we didn't want to risk, like, in case, if he had contracted COVID over there, we didn't want to go out with him if he could potentially be, spreading it and unaware of that. So we just ordered food and to eat in instead of going to a restaurant, even though it is pretty safe and socially distanced, and they sanitize everything and all that. It's still like, we don't want to risk if he could have it, and then also he'd give it to us. We could all have it. So, we just want to play it safe. So I just worked out and we just had some dinner, you know, dine in. So, and I put love and strawberries for my gratitude on Sunday because I'm grateful for love, and also chocolate covered strawberries because they're like one of my favorite desserts. Well, I have basic favorite desserts, like everyday kind of things like brownies or chocolate cake, you know, but like fancy, you know, like anniversary and holiday kind of desserts, chocolate covered strawberries is definitely way up there, along with macarons and creme brulee. So if you ever want to impress me with a dessert, definitely give me one of those top 3. Anyways, so that is going to be everything for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and of course I just added some more, you know, dangly stuff. You saw that. Anyways, though, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my video and it helps out my channel. And I truly appreciate your support. Really, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Definitely subscribe if you're not already. I make 2 to 3 videos a week. So, you know, be sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Leave me a comment if you have a question about anything. Of course, I always have the shops all linked down below, any shop that I mentioned. But if you just want to ask me, or if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi back. I always respond to all of my comments because I really appreciate that y'all are here and you watch my videos and you subscribe and you like them and you say something to me. I just love to chat with y'all. Anyways, I hope that y'all are well. Remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!